Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create this very outfit and dress to impress without VIP. First of all, for the hairstyle, you can choose this one and then you're going to color it with this color for all the selection and combine it with this one, make it the same color, and then put on this necklace from the Kurtz item and make it white, and this necklace make it white, and then you're going to make it glitter, and then you're going to put on this crown and you can color it with this pink color, and for the last selection you're going to make it this color, and then you're going to change the material to glitter, guys, like glitter. And then you're going to put on this item, you're going to color it white, and then the stocking make it white. Alright, and then the next one, I'm going to go to the dressing room, and from here I'm going to go to this menu and I'm going to put on this top, okay, and I'm going to remove the undershirt, details, lace, and also the bow. And then for the color, we're going to make it this pink color. Let me show you the color code, this one for the first selection. And for the second selection, I'm going to make it this color. And for the third selection, just leave it like that. For the fourth selection as well, just leave it like that. And then I'm going to change the material to glitter. And the next one, I'm going to go to the Kurtz item. And I'm going to put on this dress. And then we're going to choose toggle 2. And then we're going to apply the same pink color, this pink color, and for the third selection I'm going to make it this color, for the fourth selection as well, and fifth selection, and also the sixth selection. And then I'm going to select this dress and we're going to choose top only, and for the first selection make it the same pink color, for the second and also the third selection just leave it like that. Alright, and then I'm going to go back to this menu, put on this Myra heels, and then you're going to apply the same pink color, okay, and then I'm going to put on this skirt and I'm going to choose toggle 5, and then we're going to make it all pink. Done. And the last one, I'm going to put on the wings, it's here, and then I'm going to make it glitter. Go to the texture and then make it glitter, okay, and this is for the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create this very outfit and dress to impress without VIP. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.